Are you struggling to get the best result from your Facebook ad? And I mean, you must think you've tried everything, but I bet you've missed these 5 hidden Facebook ad features that could dramatically boost your performance. Now, these are the features that most advertisers overlook, and today I'm going to show you how using them can make a huge difference for your business. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bizlit NG. This YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ads. We talk about Instagram ads and also how you can leverage platforms like Facebook and Instagram to grow your business and improve your sales. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now let's get to today's video. What are these features that I'm talking about? Number one is the dynamic creative. Now let's start with a feature that could save hours of manual A/B testing for those of you that do A/B testing. Now this little known tool allows you to upload multiple assets like different images, headlines, and copy. And Facebook automatically tests different combinations to find the winning formula. So think of it as giving Facebook all the ingredients for your ad, and then Facebook becomes your chef. It's almost like Facebook is helping you to serve up the best combination for each user. Let me give you a real world example. I worked with a local clothing brand that was running static ads, but their results really plateaued, like it just went down. They were constantly tweaking they were tweaking one headline, one image, and praying for the best. We switched to dynamic creative, where we uploaded 4 different images, 3 headlines, 2 different call to actions, and then we let Facebook do the mix and match. Within 1 week, we had a clear winner. An image of their newest collection paired with a shop now call to action and the headline about limited time discount. So that one ad combination increased their click-through rate by 20%. And it reduced their cost per acquisition a whole lot. So dynamic creative is like having a mini ad testing team working 24/7 for you. So by letting Facebook do the heavy lifting, you avoid wasting time on endless manual tests, and you can optimize in real time. This can also help you run multiple variations without creating separate ads. So Facebook's algorithm will ensure your budget goes to the best performing combination. It is very simple. Right? Now, the second feature that I think you need to start leveraging now is called Lookalike Audience based on engagement. Now, understand I said Lookalike Audience based on engagement. Lookalike Audiences are one of Facebook's most powerful tools. You've already used them. I mean, I'm sure. But most likely you use them only based on customer list and website visitor. You do not use them or create them based on people who engage with your content. This is a total game changer. Now, think about it. There are people who have already shown interest in your brand. Maybe they've watched one of your videos, they've liked a post, they've commented on an ad that you've done before. They are not cold traffic anymore. They are warmed up. That means they are more likely to convert. Take, for example, I was working with a fitness app that was struggling to grow their subscriber base. Now, they were running ads based on cold audiences and they were getting decent results, but it wasn't enough. So what we did was we decided to build a lookalike audience based on people who had watched at least 75% of their workout demo videos. So why did we do that? Because watching that much of a video signals high intent. So when we targeted this lookalike, the results were incredible. We saw a 35% drop in our cost per lead and a 50% increase in sign up in just 2 weeks. So targeting an audience that is already engaged with your content means you're reaching people who are one step closer to buying. So if you've been ignoring this hidden feature, now is the time to try it. Build lookalike audience based on engagement, and you'll notice a big improvement in your conversion rate. I hope you get it. If you've watched thus far, please subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for doing that. It means a lot. Now, the number 3 feature that I think you need to leverage now is called Facebook split testing tool, right? Now, Facebook has a built-in split testing tool. Many advertisers are familiar with A/B testing manually, but Facebook's split testing feature does all the hard work for you. And here's the thing, it delivers statistically significant results. So you can test different variables like audience, placement, delivery optimization, creative, and Facebook will automatically run the test to determine the winner. So it takes the guesswork out of the equation and ensures that you're putting money behind the highest performing options. Now, here's a real life example. I had a client in the beauty industry who was launching a new skincare line. They were sure if their ads would perform better with an audience interested in wellness or interested in beauty. Instead of running 2 separate campaigns, what we did was basically we used the Facebook split testing tool. Within just a few days, we learned that the wellness audience wasn't converting as expected, but the beauty audience was generating 3 times the number of clicks at such a very low cost. Now, by identifying the winning audience early, we were able to quickly shift the budget, saving thousands of dollars of naira that might have gone or wasted on the wrong group. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this tool is perfect for campaigns where you're unsure about the key elements. Speed testing is an absolute must if you're trying to maximize your ad spend. Number 4 of this feature that you need to try out is automatic placement. If you've been manually selecting placement, like you just stick to Facebook news feed, Instagram stories, yeah, I mean, we always say that you use manual placement so that you will be able to, specify where you want your ad to be. But do you know that you're potentially leaving a ton of money on the table? Why did I say this? Automatic placements will allow Facebook to distribute your ad across all its platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, the audience network, and then automatically they will allocate more of your budget to the placement that is delivering the most results. So it's like having Facebook algorithm as your personal financial advisor, making sure that your money is being spent where it is most effective. So we had a client in the fitness industry who was laser focused on Instagram ads because, they thought that's where their target audience was. So we just decided to test automatic placement. And what we found was surprising. Messenger placement were outperforming Instagram by like almost 15% in terms of cost per lead. And the audience network was driving even more engagement. By simply enabling automatic placement, we were able to lower their overall cost per result by 20%. So automatic placement for me, it takes advantage of Facebook's algorithm, allowing it to figure out where your ads will perform best. Even if you haven't tried this feature, it's definitely time for you to give it a shot right now. Now, the final and number 5 feature that you need to try is called ad scheduling, right? Now, many advertisers, they run their campaigns 24/7. But do you know that if you want to get more strategic with your budget, this feature is essential. Now, with ad scheduling, you can choose to run your ads only during specific days or hours when your audience is most active. This prevents spends during times when your target customers aren't online. So for example, we worked with a client, a local restaurant that was running ads all day, but they realized that most of their conversions, they happened during lunchtime, like during office breaks, during lunchtime. So what we did was we set up an ad scheduling to run their ads only during peak meal hours. And this result was really immediate. They saw a 40% increase in the number of people that came into their restaurant during those hours, and their cost per click really dropped. Why pay to show your ads at 3 a.m. when no one is hungry at that time? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So this tool is especially useful for business owners that operate within specific hours, or they want to maximize their ad budget during high traffic period. So if you haven't optimized your ad, this feature is going to really help you. So I think you should try this feature. So there you have it. 5 hidden Facebook ad features that can completely transform your ad performance. So whether you're using dynamic creative to optimize your ad combinations, targeting engaged users with lookalike audiences, or running smarter tests with your Facebook split testing tool, these features can give you the edge that you need. Add in automatic placements and ad scheduling, and you've got a toolkit that ensures you're making the most of every dollar or every naira that you spend. So now it's your turn. Try incorporating these hidden features into your next campaign. Let me know in the comments which one make the biggest difference for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on running killer Facebook and Instagram ads. So hit that bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in another video.